In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls, and click on show your data. And right in front of you, you've got the detailed statistics. If you will tap on it again, you will be able to check some further info. So for example, if you need to check some particular app, here it is. You can check, for example, that phone has been in use for 1 minute today, settings for 3 minutes, and so on. Obviously, you can check the previous days if only this device has been in use. And this is it. This is how you can control time spent on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.